Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Volkswagen Golf side mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver set, trim removal tools, and your new mirror assembly. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the ignition completely off. It's also a good idea to consult your owner's manual for any specific model year instructions or torque specifications before you begin. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel trim, usually located near the mirror, to expose the mounting bolts. Next, locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers your mirror's functions, like heating and adjustment. Then, unscrew the 3 or 4 mounting bolts holding the mirror in place. Finally, gently pull the old mirror assembly away from the door, ensuring no wires snag. With the old mirror off, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door, making sure the mounting holes align perfectly. Secure it by reinserting and tightening the 3 or 4 mounting bolts. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Before putting everything back, test all the mirror's electronic functions, like power adjustment and heating, to confirm they work correctly. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel trim, making sure all clips snap securely into place. Before you hit the road, double-check all connections and confirm the new mirror is stable and doesn't wobble. Clean the new mirror glass with a good quality cleaner for crystal clear visibility. For added protection, you might consider applying a protective coating to help maintain its condition over time. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.